From your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, it was a little cloudy this morning, a few showers in our southern counties, and then the clouds got out on schedule this afternoon, back to nice weather, and there's plenty of that still on the way, with the exception of Saturday. That'll be our one day with significant rain, but it looks like it's going to be more of a morning event ending in the afternoon, which means the bulk of our weekend is looking drier, at least at this point. And today was mainly dry. We had temperatures rebounding when the sun came out this afternoon into the low to mid 70s, and tomorrow, many areas will be about the same. Other areas to the east will be a little bit warmer with sunshine from start to finish. And then we get even warmer yet on Friday before the showers begin to roll in on Saturday. But live first warning Doppler radar is dry. That will be the case until the pre-dawn hours on Saturday morning. That's when the wave of showers and a few thunder showers moves on in. But now that November's here, let's take a look at October. It was cooler than normal by 1.5 degrees. The hottest day, or the warmest day, was on the 23rd. We hit 82. The coldest, 31 on both the 19th and 20th. That was an early freeze for Evansville. But interestingly, the average high was very close to the average at about 70.4 degrees. It was our overnight lows that were unusually chilly, more than 3 degrees below average, coming in around 47 degrees. And it was a dry month, only 1.37 inches of rain. That was 2 inches below normal, and the heaviest fell on the 25th when we picked up 0.6 of an inch. Now, here's how the day played out on the Evansville Riverfront. A live view, or not a live view, a time lapse here from our Superior Ag Tower camera starting at 10:14 this morning. And watch the clouds just kind of erode away in different directions there, and then plenty of sunshine this afternoon and a beautiful sunset at around 5:50 this afternoon. And of course, we turn the clocks back this weekend, so this time next week we'll be watching the sunset around 4:45. But we're 54 right now. Winds are calm. Could be a little patchy fog as we close in on the dew point, but the ground not quite as wet, the air not quite as moist as it was earlier in the week when we had all those fog issues. Low to mid 50s currently. We're going to fall into the upper 40s overnight, which again is not too chilly for this time of the year. So this system is out of here. The next one, more powerful, pushing through the northern Rockies with some snow in Utah. Salt Lake City was in the 30s all day with some snow accumulating there. And as this gets into the plains over the next 1 to 2 days, it will lead to a severe weather threat for the plains. But fortunately for us, despite all the warm temperatures, everything weakens as it moves our way. So no severe threat, mainly some rain with a little thunder as the weakening front comes in on Saturday. But Future Tracker keeping us mainly clear overnight. And then maybe a little patchy fog for starters. You can kind of see where the model thinks we could see a little bit. And then we go mostly sunny and temperatures in the mid 70s area-wide, forecasting 75 for the Evansville metro. And then tomorrow night will be on the mild side under partly cloudy skies, mid 50s by daybreak on Friday, which will feature partly cloudy skies. It'll be windy, but even warmer, upper 70s to around 80. The record for Evansville on Friday is 82. So I think it's safe, but we'll be within a few degrees of that. Certainly very warm for this time of the year. The football game is Friday evening. Temperatures falling into the 60s. Dry again. A little breezy out there, but a nice evening for football. And then the leading edge of the showers and thunderstorms hits the western fringe of the Tri-State around 3 a.m. Saturday, but it really weakens as it moves on in. But we wake up with scattered rain in the area Saturday morning. That continues to diminish. By noon, we've got the main line, the back edge, approaching the Wabash River, and that will be the end of the showers from west to east as we head through Saturday afternoon. So overnight clear and not too chilly, upper 40s. Tomorrow mostly sunny, very warm, mid 70s. And on the 7-day forecast, even warmer Friday, a near record high of 79 degrees and very windy on Saturday. No storms to worry about. The weather aware tag is for that 70% chance of rain more in the morning, but gusty winds all day long in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range with some clearing late in the day. And then we go partly cloudy Sunday, get back to some nice weather, 72. And even next week, at least the first half of the week, still very warm. Highs in the low to mid 70s and lows only in the lower 50s. So one day of rain out of the next 7. Otherwise, this really nice and warm November weather continues.
All right, we'll take it. Thanks a lot, Wayne.